everyone, I'm Neha and we are studying chapter Congruency of Triangle. Let's do exercise 7.1. So question number 1 is complete the following sentences. First is two line segments are congruent if. So we know that two line segments can only be congruent if their length is same, right? If their length is same, they are called as congruent. So first answer is if they have same length, right? Next is among two congruent angles, one has measured 70 degree. The measure of other angle is. So we know that if one angle is measuring 70 degrees, so congruent angle will also be measured as 70 degrees, right? So answer will be 70 degree. Okay. Next is when we write angle A is equal to angle B, we actually mean. So if it is written as angle A is equal to angle B, that means the measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. Okay, so this will be the answer of third part, right? Question number 2 is give any two real life example for congruent shape. Okay, so we need to give some real examples which we experience in our daily life. Can you give me any example like that? I can give you. Paper, or we can say sheet of a same notebook. Right? The paper or sheet, if we are having one notebook and we are tearing two pages of that same notebook, they will be congruent to each other. Okay. Next can be biscuit. Biscuit of same packet. Right? All the biscuit of one single same packet are congruent to each other if they are look like this, or they can be square, but they will be identical to each other, right? Question number 3 is if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED, under the correspondence ABC correspond to FED, write all the corresponding congruent part of the triangle. Okay, so we are given with two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle FED. Triangle ABC and triangle FED. Okay, so we need to find out which side or which part is correspond to the other. We know that A and F will be correspond to each other. So we can say A, vertex A will be correspond to F, vertex B will correspond to E, vertex C will correspond to D. Now if we talk about the line segments, or we can say the sides, side will be AB, will be correspond to FE, right? BC will be corresponding to ED, and AC will be correspond to FD. Now let's come to angle. Angle A will be correspond to angle F. Angle B will be corresponding to angle E. Angle C will be correspond to angle D. So these are the measures which you will write in question number 3 and which are related which are corresponding congruent part of the triangles. Question number 4. If triangle DEF is congruent to BCA, which write the parts of triangle BCA that correspond to these. Okay, so we are given with the two triangles. What are these two triangles? Triangle DEF, which is congruent to triangle BCA, right? And it is asked that if angle E is taken from this triangle, with what part will be the correspond to BCA triangle? So angle E will be corresponding congruent to angle C. We know that. Why? Because C is in the place of E, right? Next is EF line segment will be corresponding to CA, right? Angle F will be corresponding to which angle? Angle A. And line segment DF. So D and F will be correspond to B and A. Right? So this was your exercise 7.1. In the next video, we will study about the properties of which will prove the triangle congruent.